Hallelujah. Ahoda Alpha. Quick one, make it for no brick quarter because Excellency won't go do checkup. All right, I have been told, please put your eyes on your valuables. Your cell phones, your car keys, your wallet. Those of you that will come with your husband, look out. If you come with your wife, look out. So if you have a husband who is always going to the loo, follow him and stand by the door. Hello? Tell us anywhere you go, I will go. But if your husband don't reach 80 years, leave him. Nothing will happen. I mean, they tell you. Make it be say 20 guests near him. He don't go answer. Because his battery don't shut down. Hello? Now where they go down, how they see? How you go to leave something for his children? Now I've had 2 experiences in a holder. Number 1. Now holder soldier for slap me. The picture where they my house shake. What did I do? Nothing. They say I park where I not supposed park. I don't know say soldier for Lagos, then they flog. The one for Hausa, you go do frog jump. But the soldier where they are holder, the punishment where they give you, they will give you motor. They say push. I push motor for 3 hours. Motor no they start. Now after 4 hours, I can't realize say engine no they inside the motor. Ladies and gentlemen, my job is very small because of time. I want to take this time to welcome on stage my friend and my brother, a man who has been in this music industry back to back for every generation. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Timaya.
Hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Hello. Come on, man. Why don't I fight like this? Come close, come close, come close, come close. No, come close. Let them come close. Come close. Come close. I know they go that side. Come close. Come close. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Come on, man. Let's have fun. Don't respect yourself. Or just come close. Hit me. I got money for my pocket. Everybody say yo, yo. Down for me. Down for me. Bend it down for me. I say down for me. Where down for me. Put your hands up, everybody, right here like this. Let's swing it. Let's go. 1, 2, go. Everybody, let's go. Everybody say that we got love. I can't hear you. Everybody say, if you like it, good day. If you like you, bad day. Anything when you do for this life, for my brother, not for your head, oh. This one not true story, oh. J. Martins and Timaya. Anyhow when we the cross the goal, that's what the people them are mental, oh. If you get to know them, you forget it. I saw some people go the best say. If you talk, you don't talk, they can say you too talk, maybe just take your I can't hear you, what? What? Everybody say, who got us blessed? I say, hey! The very papa, the very papa. The more you decide to Dubai, all the way from calling me pay. When money not pay, everybody run away. Everybody say when money not pay. People that used to the pay. Say when money not pay. Nobody look at my face. Oh no, the feeling the more. The ladies, they want in the more. When we go in, it's good and many people.
Everybody, let's go! 1, 2, 3, 1, set!
People they calling me pay. When money not pay, everybody run away. When money not pay, people they used to the pay. I say when money not pay, nobody go.
Hold it up, break it up. In this life, make sure you don't kill yourself for any reason. Because life must move on. The world will do that without the best. Today the governor is the governor, the next governor will come. So tell yourself, say yourself, I will not kill myself for any reason. Before the governor became the governor, he has history. So now patience now they make life go forward. If you kill yourself because of how you go get harm, so patience. Tell yourself, say yourself, I no go thief for him. I will work for it. In this Potako na plantain they buy, they say But today I'm a stupid billionaire, man. Hit me. What? Hello. Everybody say Hold it now. I'll see you guys next time. Love you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.